Hey everyone, welcome back to Shade Review. In today's video, we are unboxing a vintage pair of B&L Chromax Aviator sunglasses that I bought from VintageSunglassShop.com. Now, over the past couple years, I've gotten hundreds of comments asking me what the deal with VintageSunglassShop.com is, if they're real, if they're fake, where they get their sunglasses, and a ton of other questions like that. So before we answer those questions, let's just get ahead and jump into the actual unboxing of the frames so you guys can see what you get here when you order from a vintage sunglass shop. Now, I do want to mention I bought these sunglasses completely with my own money. I didn't contact them or tell them who I was or anything like that. Not that that would have mattered anyways, but I just bought these like a random person would off the street without giving them any of my information or trying to ask for a discount. So the first thing that we agreed with here is this little piece of paper that kind of explains what I got, and it also is thanking me for my purchase, which is really cool. So we can see their little logo there up on the top, and then yeah, we can see the website name. So this is what it looks like when you buy a pair of sunglasses from them. Let's go ahead and put that over to the side here and see how they package the sunglasses. So here we can see they are nicely and securely packaged up with this bubble wrap. And here we can see the actual case itself. It says Ray-Ban Driving Series Chromax, and this case looks absolutely brand new. It is basically in perfect condition here. It just looks really, really good. There might be a little bit of something right there, but it looks like that actually came off. I'm not sure what that was, but yeah, basically beautiful, beautiful case. You're really not going to find a case this nice when buying a pair of vintage Ray-Ban sunglasses for the most part. And then also we can see this little sticker here. I think this is here for inventory reasons. So I'm going to go ahead and try to peel that off because obviously that kind of ruins the look. But if I take this off, it looks like it does come off pretty easily, and hopefully it's not going to leave too much residue on the case. And by simply wiping my finger on the leather here, we can see that any residue comes completely off, so don't worry about that little sticker damaging your case. But yeah, the case looks really, really clean. Let's go ahead and pop the top off and take a look at the inside. So here on the inside, of course, we can see our absolutely beautiful looking Ray-Ban Chromax Aviator frames. Look really, really nice. And I'm actually going to hold these up to the light off camera here for just a second. And yeah, these lenses don't have a single nick or anything like that whatsoever on them. These lenses are perfectly crystal clear, and the frame build quality here is really, really good as well. One thing that I do notice is the lens screw looks like it's a little bit unscrewed here on both of them, but that's super easy to tighten up myself. I'm not sure why they didn't tighten that up from the factory, but that's definitely not something that I would worry about when buying a pair of sunglasses from them. We also can see a little etched B&L logo here on both the left and right side lenses, which is of course there for authentication purposes as well. And then if we zoom into the nose rest here, we can see a little etched B&L logo, which of course is there for authentication purposes as well. So this pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses is definitely 100% legitimate. And as you guys know, I have been in the sunglass industry for over 8 years now, and I've always known this company to sell legitimate products. And I would actually go as far to say that they are the leading experts when it comes to anything vintage Ray-Ban, Purcell, and many, many other brands. So you can 100% buy with them with confidence, knowing that you're going to get the product that is described to you. And they also do have a 7-day return policy as well if you're not happy with your pair of sunglasses. But yeah, everything itself is completely legitimate, and the build quality here is really, really nice. But yeah, I did want to make this quick video kind of talking about the vintage sunglass shop and doing a quick unboxing to kind of show you guys what you get when you buy a pair of sunglasses from them. I believe their company was founded in 1998, which is a really long time ago, and they've been doing really good stuff ever since then. Their website's going to be a little bit quirky. It looks like it hasn't been updated since 1998, but once you kind of get the feel of the website, it works really good, and the buying process is actually pretty simple as well, even though it is definitely a little bit old school. But one thing I have to say is they do take high quality photos of every single pair of sunglasses that they sell on their website, which really help you know what you're buying before you're buying it. So yeah, that was my little unboxing of a pair of beautiful Ray-Ban Chromax sunglasses from the VintageSunglassShop.com. Now, if you're interested in picking a pair of these sunglasses, I'm going to leave a link to their website directly in the comment section down below, where you can feel free to browse hundreds or even thousands of different sunglasses that they sell on their website. But that's all I got for us in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one.